Hello everyone, welcome to Nature Nema. Today I am diving into the incredible journey of birds from nest to flight. As if you are watching my video, as I already uploaded a short video on this fascinating process, and now the part 2 begins. Stay with me till the end. Seeing this emptiness, my eyes fill with tears because I watched this baby birds grows from fragile hatching to confident fledgling. But now, finally, they spread their wings and flew away. But I realized that every journey must chapters come to an end, but it also makes the beginning of the new adventures. Even the birds give us a lesson. They grow and they fly away. It is such a truly a nature creation. Finally, they fly away in the sky. The moment is such a mesmerizing for me. Thank you for watching and leave your comment in the feedback so that I can get motivated and make more beautiful videos of natures.